Right then, for something a little bit different today, I'm just going to do put the tyres onto the restoration project wheel of mine. So make sure that we've got the protectors on the jaws to make sure we don't do any damage to the rim. Got cling film going around the edge of the rim there, which is just to help stop any damage as well, extra bit of protection. So I'm just going to put this band around the wheel, and it's got a notch in it, just there, that notch. That's for where the valve goes, so need to make sure that lines up. There we go. Just make sure there's no kinks in it. Next stage. Just put a little bit of talcum powder into the tyre itself. Just helps to lubricate for the inner tube. The inner tube will sit better when you inflate it for the first time. So just blow some of the excess out. Then tyre soap. Good amount. Make sure it's on the bead, but I'm only going to do one side at this moment. Place the tyre in position, tyre fitment head in, make sure it's adjusted so you've got enough clearance. Tyre in position. First position. Right. So that's a bit different from normal. You take the tyre fitment head out of the way. Get our inner tube. It's got an off-centre valve, so it's off to one side. Take the dust cap off. And then we'll hold it in place with the tyre tool. This is an awkward little bit to do. It can be. Right. So now the inner tube itself is in. Let's push up. Grab the valve, get it to seat. And then what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of air in so that it's that the inner tube is partially inflated. Helps to make sure there's no kinks in it and that it's sitting right. You don't want to put too much in, otherwise it will sit right on the beads and stop the tyre from sitting in properly. So, just enough, only comes with experience really. Right, so now the tyre loop goes around on the outer face. Let's put the tyre valve tool in just to make sure that nothing happens there. Just get the wheel around so that it's the pitman's head is by the valve. Because this is a cross-ply type tyre, very stiff on the rim, so I'm using the rollers. The tyre now on, just lift the rollers off, swing them out of the way, tyre head out of the way. Just keep the tool in for the valve for the time being. We can remove the cling film, protecting the edges. Do that both sides. Set the wheel up. Take the tool off. Put the tyre inflator on. And what I'll do is I'll inflate the tyre to about 20 psi to start off with, and then I'll release air from between the tyre and the inner tube, because there's air going to be trapped between the two. It can't come out through the spokes as fast as you might think. About there. No air trapped. Do it again, if I can. Okay there. We'll check that the tyre sees it correctly. And then we'll go off and balance the wheel. Catch you later. So here we go, a couple of differences for balancing. I'm using this sort of adapter on the end rather than this adapter, which is normally fitted to the device to hold the wheel in place. The cone is fitted down there, and the machine is set for static balance because the weights go just in the middle. I'll pause you there. Right, so we've got the wheel fitted. We'll now put the measuring machine on, so we've got the offset there, 13.5. The rim width, you can like that, which is 5 inch. So 5 inch, and the wheel diameter, which of course we could take off the tyre, which would tell us it's 16. Always worth checking. That's that set. So what I'll just do is I'll just run the wheel. I'm looking for the, see if there's any sort of movement in the tread, any movement in the rim, just to make sure that we're okay there. Keeping an eye on it. And it says we need 50 grams of weight, which will be just there. I'll be back and just get the weight to stick on.